Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Friday. It's August 1st, 2025. It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to see you. I decided to record this on Friday. I usually record on a Thursday, but I wanted to share with you, I went to the Ravinia Festival last night, and you already saw the title of this vlog today. I've been in Chicago since 2003. I've never been to Ravinia. I can't believe it. I don't know why. I guess maybe I never found anybody to go with or whatever, but my best friend got tickets to go see Lang Lang, which he's a Chinese pianist, world-renowned, excellent, performed with the CSO, and he did the Disney book. And it was just great. So we took the train up, the metro train up, and got there, and I was just completely surprised by the look of Ravinia. Remind me of my days at Interlochen Center for the Arts. So we had a little nosh, some wine. I know that's a news flash. Little nosh, little wine, sat outside, and then we went and sat in the pavilion. It was such an enjoyable night, cooler night, the wind was blowing. He did some really great songs from all sorts of Disney songs, and we were back in late night getting home, but I loved it. It was great. You know, you do things like that or different things in your life, like, why did I wait so long? So anyway, I did film some clips and stuff, so I don't want to talk too much. I'm going to show you that at the end. I'm just wishing all of you a great weekend. It's nice and cool here in Chicago after our muggy little heat wave. I'm sure you've had that where you're at. But get out this weekend, do something great. I have an event to go to tomorrow, and it's pretty much low-key the rest of the weekend, and that's okay, because August I got 3 weekends that are booked with different kinds of things going on. You know, she's popular. Or do you think so? Anyway, have a great weekend. Be kind to yourself, love one another, include others. Lots of love from me. I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend and enjoy my little experience at Ravinia. Take care.
The Metro will be operating special schedules with additional services.
Hey everybody, how are you? I am at Ravinia. I can't believe it's my first time here, and I'm here with Rob. Now I got to watch the camera because I did bring my little holder, but I'm not using it right now. So anyway, you can check it. Everybody out in the yard. And Rob and I are having a snack fest, and here he is down here. Hi, Rob.
My two favorite things.
Yeah. Not the Rob and Greg show that you're used to, but he's down here drinking it up, filling his pie hole. Yeah. Hey, look at the spread down here. Not his, but
What camera's at?
So, never been to Ravinia before. It's a great night. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clips.